welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today is kind of a DIY slime tutorial situation, but also like my hopes and dreams for Shane Dawson's new slime. If you've been watching Shane's new series with Jeffree Star, then you know he is diving into the beauty community, but he has also expressed interest in diving into the slime industry. And the slime community is so shook right now because we heard this news, and of course we would love to have Shane. So the slimes I'm making today are inspired by Shane Dawson. I even created a little logo for him. I know his is gonna be like 10 times better. I'm just like super excited to see like his finished product, and this is just kind of what I think his slimes are gonna be like. I'm really excited to show you all, so let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so the first slime that I hope to see in a Shane Dawson slime shop is most definitely a diet root beer slime. I picked up a case just to get into the Shane Dawson mood. Oh my god. And of course, that would totally happen to me. So to make us a diet root beer floam, we are going to go ahead and add in some clear glue to a large glass bowl here. I always recommend making slime in a glass bowl if you can, because it doesn't stick to the bowl like it normally would, like in a wooden bowl or something. Then I'm also going to add in 2 drops of brown food coloring, and we're also going to scent this because it has to be scented, obviously. So I'm throwing in some root beer scent as well and just mixing that together. Once our mixture is fully combined, it is time to turn it into slime. So we are going to go ahead and use a borax activator solution and just add it in a little bit at a time, stirring after every single time that you add it in, just until the slime starts to form to your liking. You are most definitely going to need to add activator a couple of times. However, do it little by little, because if you over-activate your slime, it will become hard as a rock, and no one wants to play with a rock. Here's how my slime turned out. As soon as it gets to the kind of consistency that I'm looking for, I like to go in with my hands just to further knead it along and kind of mix it. Now we're going to go ahead and add in the fun part, the crunchy bits. These are micro foam beads. It's going to make our slime look super crunchy, feel super crunchy, and also look like it has little mini soda bubbles in it. Alrighty, now I know this doesn't look like root beer soda yet. That is because clear slime tends to get foggy, and you need to let it sit so that all of the air bubbles that are trapped inside the slime can subside. So basically what you have to do is put this baby away for a little while, and then you will get this. This took about 5 to 6 days to clear up, and it looks just like root beer soda. Alrighty, next up, I would love to see some type of pig incorporation into a slime. So this is inspired by obviously the Gucci collaboration, the Year of the Pig. Just that whole episode with Jeffree and Shane was awesome. So in a glass bowl, again, I'm starting off with some school glue and also adding in some clear glue as well. This is going to help it be glossy. Then we're going to add in a couple of drops of orange food coloring and red food coloring. And of course, it's going to be scented, and this one is scented like gummy bears. Go ahead and mix that till it is fully incorporated and until you got the right color. I always like to add in color before you activate the slime. It's just a lot easier that way, but it's just a personal preference. So with this type of mixture here, it's actually going to become very lumpy, but that's totally normal. All you have to do is mix it around, kind of stretch it, and just, you know, get it smooth, basically. Just kind of knead it around. And now we have our Year of the Pig slime. So I went ahead and I made this cute little label. I actually made labels for all of the slimes and a logo for Shane as well. I obviously know he's not going to use that one. He's going to come up with his own. But this is just kind of, you know, what I would like to see. So I'm just packing the slime up now. And then we're going to add a little pig charm on top of that. And it's going to be so freaking cute. And last but not least, we definitely need an Illuminati slime. So this is Illuminati inspired by the series. So I'm just starting off with some school glue. This is going to be a butter slime base. And then we're going to add in some sweet tea scent. This is actually scented almost like black tea with a little hint of lemon. It smells really, really nice. And then we're just going to go ahead and mix the glue and the scent, nothing else. And then we will activate it. With the activator, of course, you just want to add it in a little bit at a time, stirring after every single time you add it in until you get your desired consistency, just like the other slimes we previously made. Alrighty, now we have our really nice butter slime base. It is time to go ahead and add our clay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to go ahead and split this batch of slime in half because we're doing two different colors, a green and a black. Alright, the amount of clay is totally up to you. I like to add a lot of clay to my butter slime, so I went ahead and I did that. Just go ahead and mix it until it is basically all colored. Alright, time to package this baby up so y'all can see the final look. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of that green and add that first layer. I like to do it layer by layer, if that makes sense. I don't like to just already spiral it. It is just easier for me this way, I find. And once I got enough green in there, I'm going to go ahead and add in my final layer, which is the black layer. Just go ahead and add that right on top. And then what we're going to do is we are going to take it out of the container and kind of play with it a little bit, make it a little spiral, and then put it back in the container. That way it looks like the slime was actually spiraled. When I put the slime back into the container, I kind of like to just push it down and twist the container or the slime itself. That way it all stays spiraled and we don't mess up that great marbleization going on. And of course, honey, we all know that the Illuminati loves their money, so a little money stack won't ever hurt anyone. Am I right? Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this video. In the comment section down below, let me know which of these slimes is your favorite. And what kind of slimes are you excited to see Shane bring to his slime shop? I know it's gonna be crazy and insane, and I am totally here for it. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!